Good morning, y'all. Today's the day. Happy Valentine's Day. I can't wait to get myself together, you feel me? And we are doing very good on time. Shout out to my mom and TT. I didn't even show y'all. We was in the zone yesterday, just prepping, getting shit ready. We didn't really have any hiccups. Everything pretty much went really smooth. We made the chocolate last night and we made some of the chocolate this morning. So we did the white Dubai chocolate. We did a semi-sweet chocolate with fresh strawberries in the inside as the filling. And then we did a milk chocolate with homemade caramel. So I'll go through the pairings and stuff like that. I'm gonna film myself so you guys can see. I did also write down some notes for my wines as well as my chocolates, so I have something to reference while I am hosting. Y'all, this is gonna be my first time like talking and engaging. I'm nervous as shit. I can't even hold y'all, but it's gonna be good. So far we have 13 tickets, so, and I know of at least 4 people who are gonna come hang out, purchase food, buy drinks, listen to the music, you know, have a good time with us. So I think we will have a sold out event. I only had 20 tickets available because I wanted to have all glassware, and I'm a small business, so I needed to consolidate and like make it intimate. All of our events have been intimate anyways, but make it a smaller gathering because I am a small business and I can't afford to host 40 people with a wine tasting with all glass and ceramic, serving drinkware, all of that stuff. So we kept it cute and we're almost sold out. So today's the day. Car has been, we got some stuff packed in the back of my car. Kiki's van basically held everything that we need. Thank God she has that damn van. The van's coming in handy. That might end up being my work van. But yeah, so we're doing good on time. It is 10:19. We're probably gonna go over there about noon, start setting up. It's probably gonna take us about 3 hours. So if we can get done by 3 o'clock, we have time to go home, shower, makeup, get all the way together. You know what I'm saying? Come in and just ready to go. So we'll see how the day plays out, and I will keep you guys in the loop. So yeah, it's freezing too. It said it was 10 degrees, but it felt like 2. So in the midst of doing that, like, this weather shit is like, it puts an extra level of like aggravation. Like, I'm aggravated because of the weather, on top of, you know, trying to get things done and just, anyways, I'm lollygagging. I mean, I'm yapping. I will see y'all at the venue. All right, y'all, so the van is packed up and we are ready to go. Hey y'all, we made it to the space. We are getting set up. My cousin is setting up upstairs, and yeah, so enjoy the views, okay? Because we got a lot of stuff to do, but we have good timing, so not worried. And then we'll, again, like I said, we'll have plenty of time to get home and get dressed, makeup, all of that, and come back and be well prepared. So the bud vases didn't travel that well. Some of the water has spilled out, but we'll touch it up. but I'd rather have been done than have to get here and have to do it. Well, yeah, probably low table. Yeah, probably low table because we only have 2 of those.
We have 3.
3 of those ones?
3 of these and 2 of the tall ones.
Maybe low table because on the, I don't know, set it on the middle one and see, because I was gonna do some bud bases and yeah, maybe the low table because the bud bases and the pillar candles, I wanted to do like some type of different types of variation in height. Oh shit, I didn't put one.
There is 3 low. There are 3 low
Jerome Fandle.
Run fast from a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I paid enough of petty dues. I put enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh. Today, then yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. God, these broken clouds. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and still love. And still love and still love. Still love, still love it, still love, still love. Nothing but love for you, nothing but love, nothing but love. All that I got, pieces and pages, talking a lot. Sorry, I'm faded, think I forgot. You love me, you love me. Gotta shift at 10 a.m. Gotta dip at 10 p.m. Gotta get that cash, won't get past the lunch break. I ain't had a smoke break in about 2 days, you break. Been about 3 years since I dated you. Why you still talking about me like we together? I moved on for the better, you moved on to whoever. I was down for whatever, and then some. You gon' make me take the word again. Today they yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. God, these broken hearts. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and still love and still love and still love. Still love, still love, still love, still love. Nothing but love for you, nothing but love, nothing but love. I don't eat, can't sleep past 9 a.m. Heartbeat make me feel alone again. Can't beat them, just join the party. I don't need nobody. All that I got, pieces and pages, talking a lot. Sorry, I'm faded, think I forgot. You love me, you love me, you love me.
And too, once we light the candles, it's gonna give another additional feel. Y'all, it's winter wonderland in this motherfucker. Anywho, we're all set up. It looks beautiful. I wish we had more balloons. The fucking Walmart balloon time shits, waste the money. Don't invest. Oh, don't. Fuck. Don't invest. Just drop my damn joint in the fucking snow. I'm pissed. But yeah, don't invest in those balloon time inflatable helium tanks. Waste the fucking time. I think we were able to blow up maybe 15, and they said we were supposed to be able to blow up 50. Don't recommend. I'm picking up my granny because she wants to come and help out like normal. She always has to be a helping hand. It is 4:45. We're on for 7 o'clock. However, the weather is horrible. So I made a note in the event on Facebook that, you know, take your time. We're going until 11. You're more than welcome to show up when you can get there safely. And yeah, we're just gonna play it by ear and see how it goes. When I first planned this event, I wanted it to start promptly at 7. But yeah, so we will be there at 7 o'clock. But the traffic, I'm not expecting people to be there at 7 o'clock, but we'll be all ready and set to go. So just checking in with y'all, and I'll see y'all when I get cute.
What is the look of? So many things I've got to tell you, but I'm afraid I don't know how. 'Cause there's a possibility that you look at me differently, love. Ever since the first moment I spoke your name, from then on I knew that by you being in my life, things were destined to change. 'Cause love, so many people use your name in vain. Love, those who have faith in you sometimes go astray. Love,
Oh, y'all, we're breaking down.
This supposed to use his teeth to take the towel.
We got scissors.
Anyway, it was a good turnout, y'all. We didn't have as many people who bought. No, it needs to be dumped out. Bought tickets, didn't show up, but it was, you know, it is what it is. We gifted a few free tickets, so it all worked out. Now we're just breaking down. I look tired. I didn't get one photo, so we'll be brief in the morning.
We're talking about, we're just doing a debrief from yesterday.
You know your quality of your service, of your food, you know what your expectations, you have a high expectation of yourself, so you kind of expect, I think sometimes we expect that other people are going to behave the way that we
would, yeah.
And you have to realize they're going to behave the way they behave, and you just have to continue to do you,
yeah.
You know, and I think as business owners, you know, it's about evolving and growing, and don't stop. Even if only one person shows up or two people show up, you still gotta, you know, do your game. Be on it. Ain't nothing wrong with it. I think last night was a a success.
I do too.
Mhm.
I think
And when you think about all of the, let's just call it, the weather was
Horrible.
It was horrible, and people were.
And people still came. The people that still
Exactly.
came, like that's on. I think I posted something on my business page, and I was like, "Thank you for those that came out in this weather." You know,
Yeah.
like.
And then you have to think, like, even though I'm gonna say we're from Vegas, that's where we live. You know, you think, oh, our winter weather is nothing. So people are always out and about in Vegas. But I had to go back to my youth. Growing up, we would be in the streets dead of the winter.
Yeah.
So
people
it's
be
not.
outside.
Yeah, going to the club is still
Shit.
below.
Somebody on my Instagram just posted a video of the nightclub. The line was so fucking long last night at getting into some club. I was like, oh yeah, no. In this weather, I don't think I was ever that thirsty to get in the club to stand in
outside in the elements.
No.
Right.
But I spent y'all grew up here, y'all.
Yeah.
You know, I spent my 21 in Vegas.
Vegas.
That was a whole different party
It was
scene.
a different vibe.
Yeah. And I think that too is where I get a lot of my higher expectations when it comes to nightlife, when it comes to hospitality, is because Vegas is one of the top destinations for hospitality.
Yeah.
You know, and then you come here and it's like you said, we put all that work in for that movie night, and I didn't get as much content as I wanted to, because people like to see that. Like, I feel like that entices people to come out to the next one. You know,
they know
see
your
with
quality too.
Yeah.
When people know your quality and your consistency, they gonna come out and support it. They just gotta know you and at least have at least one experience in your at your event to be able to compare and contrast.
So it is.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Well, on to the next.
Yeah.
So